I'm replacing the carrier bearing on this triaxle dump truck, and gotta disconnect the drive shaft and then undo this nut here and pull this section out, and then this carrier bearing will slide out. This one is completely destroyed, a couple inches of play in it. That's what it looks like there. It bolts up into here, but this nut is really tight, so I put a pry bar back underneath here by the transmission, that blue thing going across, and that was going in between this this joint here. Then I got a ratchet strap, tried doing it by hand and strapping it, but then I got the excavator, small excavator, and looped this around one side, ratchet strap, and then hooked it to there, and it's slowly coming loose and breaking. So I hook it up and then just start pulling it back. You can see it's moving. Coming loose, which is great. And after that, I'll just put the new carrier bearing in that I got from the dealership here.